I can get used to the right-hand drive. Oh my gosh, we're buying this thing, dude. We're buying it. That's it. We're taking it.
It's fun for sure.
You got a ride home? Exact sausage and free range, and I think that'll be good. You ever have anybody come through here backwards?
No.
Oh yeah. Oh shoot. Hood's loose. We're gonna have at our farm a friendly competition, and everything that we buy is gonna be prizes basically that the competitors are gonna take home. What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we are here at the Goon Squad garage, but we're gonna do something completely different. We're not gonna work on any wrecked cars today. What we're gonna do is something that we've never done before, and we've been thinking about it for quite some time, and we're gonna start a little series called Marketplace Madness. And what we're planning on doing is for 1 week straight, we're gonna try to maybe post a video every day of us buying something off of Facebook Marketplace, something super unique, and of course for an amazing deal, because that's what Marketplace is about, you know, getting them smoking deals. And we actually found our first opportunity right here, and it is a Jeep. It's taking us back to our roots, what we started with. We started with the Jeep TJs, and we found one that's super epic. So right now, we're gonna go ahead and meet up with the seller. We've been chit-chatting back and forth on Facebook Marketplace, and we're finally gonna go meet up at the AutoZone. Probably where that thing's gonna live, because you know them Jeeps, man, that's what it stands for. Just empty every pocket, Jeep right there. So we're gonna go ahead and meet up, check it out, see what it's all about, and maybe make a good deal on it. All right, Pops, we're gonna be back with something very epic.
Okay.
Are you ready?
I want to see it, yeah.
You want to see it? All right, stay back for a little bit. We'll be back in about 20 minutes. So originally the seller was asking $19,000 for this Jeep. So that's kind of what caught my attention. And then he lowered it down to $14,500, which is crazy. Then I got him down to $12,800. Come on now, it's like a no-brainer. And I've been looking into like LS swaps for these Jeep TJs, and they go for about $17,000. So just for the whole swap, I think with the motor, trans, which is up there. So I was thinking like, there's no way we could pass up on this opportunity right here. Dang, there it is. Wait, why is he sitting on the right side?
That thing right-hand drive?
It sure is. Look at that thing. He said it was a little muddy. He just got off of work. He didn't have time to clean it or anything. But I told him, don't worry about it. How's it going, man?
Good, how are y'all?
It's good, man. This thing's clean. A little filthy, but it's clean.
It's a little dirty, Jake.
Simon, nice to meet you.
You too, man.
Dude, this thing looks good. I know you got a lot of stuff done to it.
Yeah.
Take a little peek. You got long arms. You got the Rubicon transfer case in it too, right?
No, it don't have the Rubicon T case.
Oh, it don't?
Was it not edited on the post?
I guess it wasn't.
Fuse box covers inside.
Okay.
The clip on it's broke off.
I like that intake manifold too.
It sounds real good too. It sounds kind of crazy.
Does it run good? No ticks?
No.
Dude, this is crazy. It's a right-hand drive.
Yeah.
Sounds healthy, dude. Dang, it sounds real good. What's the story with the right-hand drive?
It was a postal Jeep. The guy I bought it from.
Oh, Post Jeep right here. Postal service Jeep. Did you do the conversion or the engine swap and stuff? You mind if I give it a little test drive? Isn't this crazy right here, dude? All right, let's put her into. Whoa!
Those are just lockouts if you want to lock them in a lower gear.
Okay, so what do I start off in? 1, 2, 3, or 4?
4. 4 is a normal drive for the 4L60E.
Like that right there?
Yes, sir.
Awesome. All right, I'm just gonna take it around the parking lot right quick. Dude, it feels so weird. What the heck?
This thing's got kind of like a chop to it too already.
It does, yeah. It's got like a little rumble, like that low idle. It sounds really good. I'm gonna punch it a little bit right here. Dude, this thing rips.
This thing scoots, man. We might need a wheelie bar for this thing.
She rips. She rips. Whoa, dude. I've never like felt that type of power in a Jeep. That's the only reason why I want this thing, that V8. And I can get used to the right-hand drive. Oh my gosh, We're buying this thing, dude. We're buying it. That's it. We're taking it.
It's fun for sure.
You got a ride home?
You wanna drop me off?
I can drop you off.
5 seconds around the corner.
Okay, let me park it right there, actually. So cool, dude. Dude, we're like in the UK or something. This is how I think England right here. This thing came from England, pretty much. See, I knew I was going to charge you to take you home. That's why I got it down to it.
Yeah.
11.8, man.
That's all good. You know, it works out for both of us. Yeah.
Heck yeah. Dude, it's so different. Are you used to this thing right here?
No, I've had a couple of right-hand drives. This is the first Wrangler right-hand drive I've had.
Look at that. Already putting the seller to work, too. New cameraman. You see, I should be paying you.
Yeah.
Well, yeah, I'm gonna take him home right quick, and we're just on the road. First time on the road, I'm pretty centered. Where do I go? Just straight?
Yeah, just straight.
It ain't too bad. I just gotta look at my mirrors. Oh shoot. Am I a little too far right?
Yeah, you're alright.
No, I'm good right there. Oh man. There's the Jeep that we should have bought, right? His buddy is selling a Jeep too.
Yeah.
But is this one LS?
It is. It's got
dude.
It's got a 5.3 in it, 5-speed.
Oh my goodness, and this one is the cleaner one too, and it's left-hand drive.
What?
Dude.
That's crazy. He must have a thing for Jeeps. Look at this.
LS 327.
Is this like a small block or something? Right?
Yeah, I'm guessing.
Dude, imagine the boat motor in one of these bad boys.
Dude. Honestly, as it is, man, this thing would probably shred through the woods. All right, so this one right here is 16 grand. That's his bottom dollar. So honestly, I'm super happy with what we got for 11.8. He's got way more in it, honestly. So he's losing money, but you know what? That's just how it goes, you know what I mean, on Facebook. And he's trying to get a boat. When you're trying to get a boat, you're gonna have to lose some money on your Jeep. Well, awesome, man. I'm gonna get out of here. I appreciate you. Thank you so much.
Yes, sir.
And I'm gonna enjoy it. You'll see it on YouTube.
Go ahead and crank her up for us, dude. Let's hear it.
I got in on the left side, dude. Where's the steering wheel, dude? You sold me a Jeep with no steering wheel.
Well, we talked about the Jeep. We didn't say nothing about the steering.
I know, right? I might have to do a little conversion. Put like a separate steering wheel over here. Some more pedals.
No Jeeps and stuff.
All right, man. I appreciate it. I'm gonna get out of here for real this time. Right-hand drive.
It's a US mail.
Yeah, it's an old retired post office Jeep. Alright, so we got the Jeep over here at the Goon Squad garage, and oh my goodness, this thing is an animal. But you know what? We already fixed one thing. There's a few things wrong with this sucker, and we're gonna dial this thing in before we take it off-roading. So the O2 sensors were actually unplugged. We plugged them suckers back in, and it already idles way better. I bet this thing is gonna rip way harder off-road and on-road, so I'm super pumped about that. But we got a super genius plan, guys. This is our plan. So what we want to do is clean this sucker up from the inside to the outside, maybe fix a few little things, check all the fuses, check all the fluids, all that good stuff right there. And we're gonna snap some pictures of this thing, and we're gonna post it back up on Facebook Marketplace to see if we can maybe sell it and make a buck or two. That way we could purchase our next Marketplace Madness item and just keep it going like that. I think that'd be super unique right there. So I guess right now we're gonna go ahead, shine this sucker up, and then while we're off-roading, we're gonna have maybe some offers come in for it. way though, dude. Ain't that minty right there too?
Spearminty, dude.
Dude, I'm telling you, man. Interior cleaned up. We brought out that weed whacker brush thing. I think that's for Elazar's boat, so hopefully he don't get mad. But you know what? It's for a good cause here. I think he'll understand. But I already started taking some pictures. I think this thing is gonna sell. Almost don't even want to sell it, dude, anymore. To be honest, what do you think, David?
Dude. It's, the better it looks, the more I want to keep it. You know what I mean?
Exactly, dude. I'm telling you, the owner's gonna want this sucker back. But you know what? It don't work like that, man. We're good. Roast the tires. Dang, dude. Thing's a beast, man. All right, guys, we're off. And you know what? We're about to take this thing on the highway, too.
This thing scoots for a change.
This thing goes, man. It gets up and goes. I mean, once you get used to it, it ain't bad at all. Steering wheel's a little off. But other than that, man, look at that. Take this thing anywhere you want. All right, we got a bump coming up. Let's see if Death Wobble kicks in. Hey, that's what I'm talking about right there. Thing's on my left.
We're about 6 miles away from it.
Dang, I didn't even notice that. How do you go through a drive-through with this thing?
Should we try it?
It's just so weird, even pulling up to a fuel pump. I mean, look at this. Look at the distance right here.
Like 7 foot.
I know. I thought I was a lot closer, man. Originally, I was like 10 foot over, but I had to reposition. But no big deal. Just a little bit of getting used to. We're gonna probably put some 93 in it. I think that's what it eats. Dang, that's sick. Here we go. Keeping up with traffic so far. It's handling this turn pretty good too. So I feel pretty safe in this thing. How do you feel?
Safe for now, at least. You know what I mean?
For now, right? We're cruising. Look at this. Keeping up with the semis. Oh yeah. We're scooting. Oh shoot. Hood's loose. Hood pin popped out. Hood is just flapping right there. Flapping in the wind. Pins are just bad, I think. These balls don't really even work. Little bearing balls or whatever you call them. Dang, dude, this is a sketchy test drive right here, man. Brakes are a little squishy, but I always can gear down, you know what I mean?
Oh, yeah.
That pin is coming back out. Look at that, dude. Are you kidding me? I think we're going about 70 miles an hour right now. Maybe 65. Maybe some stuff is coming loose right now, but hey, we're moving. All right, we're gonna do a quick little sway bar disconnect, and we're gonna try to conquer this hill right here. Something light. We're gonna start easy, and then we're gonna get a little bit more difficult and difficult. Thing's creaking and croaking. Literally crawled up that super easy. I wish it had a little better transfer case. I thought it had the Rubicon transfer case, which it's super slow. But hey, this is doing the trick. It's pretty nice. Let's crawl that right there.
Definitely sounds like something's broken now.
Yeah, I think that's the inside of the transfer case right there, which that might be a little too steep for this thing. stop by the Zaxby's. I wonder what it's gonna be like going through a drive-through with the right-hand drive.
Thank you for choosing Zaxby's. What can I get for you?
Can I get the Zaxby salad? Zax sauce is free range, and I think that'll be good. You ever have anybody come through here backwards?
No, I can't say we're there.
Well, we're the first here. You know, we got a right-hand drive, so we had to.
I got you.
Thank you. I wonder what this car is thinking right here. They're probably like, what the heck is this crazy person doing? They don't know, I'm just from Britain. What if I started talking with a British accent? Let's get on out of here. What if I drove the whole time backwards all the way back to the shop? Alrighty, so Elazar is finally back from vacation, checking out the brand new Jeep. What are you thinking, dude?
That is sick right there. A LS and a Jeep, man. That's insane, man. That is. I bet this thing rips.
It
dude.
does, man. It rips. It spins the tires, man. It'll smoke them back tires out, man.
Dude, that is awesome, man. This thing is actually pretty nicely, built. I mean, it's not crazy. What does it have? Little lockers, front and rear lockers. Got a nice steering arm set up right here. What is it? Long travel. How much I'll get it for?
11.8, dude.
That is a steal. I gotta say, that was a steal because we've sold Jeeps, bought Jeeps, and with the LS and right-hand drive, I don't know if that makes it cheaper, but dude, that is awesome, dude.
Dude, I gotta say, honestly, it's probably worth that in parts alone. You could part this sucker out and you'll make 12 grand.
Oh
Probably,
no, dude. I mean, somebody's gonna buy this like easily if you decide to sell it. But man, that's a
It's
beauty,
already
man.
listed and honestly, no offers, dude.
Hey man, you just listed it, man. I'll offer you. How about I give you 12 for it right now?
Dude, I think we got something even better planned than just
Yes.
selling it. Actually, we'll change of plans, but dude, overall, man, this thing is it handles them trails pretty good, dude.
This is crazy, dude. Got a nice little shifter on. We got a stock transmission or something.
It's got some sort of Cadillac transmission or something,
else
dude.
something whatever, dude. This thing is legit, dude. I actually want to rip it around now,
Dude.
man. So, where's the keys? Let's hear
Fire it up, man.
That sounds good, dude.
Imagine a little turbo up front, though.
That'd be insane. I mean, it's probably good as it is.
It is, honestly, plenty of juice. It's got a digital dash on it, but I don't think it's plugged up or something, so.
I don't need it, man.
You don't need it where we're going. Whoa, he got close to that Volvo.
She's a ripper, man. She rips.
Dude, I'm telling you, man, this thing is a beast. Needs a little bit of fine tuning, but as it is, you can have a lot of fun.
Oh yeah.
All right guys, so that's gonna be a wrap for today's video, but you know what? We're gonna have a change of plans. So we listed this thing on Facebook Marketplace and no serious offers, just a bunch of people wanting to trade. Nothing cool yet. So what we decided to do is actually we're gonna have at our farm a friendly competition, and everything that we buy is gonna be prizes basically that the competitors are gonna take home. I think that's gonna be super insane. Somebody's gonna take home this Jeep right here and everything else that we buy. We got a bunch of sick stuff on our radar. You guys are gonna have to stay tuned. And if you guys see anything cool on Facebook Marketplace in this area and you want us to buy it, maybe we will. So send it to us. But anyways, guys, stay tuned. Definitely drop all your comments and thoughts down below. We'll catch you guys next time. Peace.